Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the VIN and model year, so you download the exact package. This prevents incompatible flashes. Once done, make sure the 12V battery is charged or attach a maintainer to prevent shutdown mid-update. Next, copy the update files to a clean 32 GB USB drive using the folder structure Honda specifies, and plug the USB into the vehicle's USB port. This first sequence gets the car ready and avoids mistakes before the update begins. You'll now start the update from the infotainment menu. Go to Settings, then System or Honda Link, and select Software Update. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm you want to install. The unit will verify files and prepare to flash. Make sure the engine runs or ignition is an accessory with battery support. Do not remove the USB or interrupt power. Monitor the progress bar and wait patiently, because the system installs multiple modules and reboots several times during the procedure. Once the unit reboots, you verify the new software by checking Settings, then About or System Info to confirm version numbers changed. Next, test critical functions like Bluetooth pairing, navigation map load, rear camera, and steering wheel controls so you catch regressions early. If something fails, make a note of any error codes shown and retry with a freshly formatted USB and the same official files. If issues persist, escalate to a dealer and give them the VIN and error details for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.